Doka besolang dora depan, pini non ni likido lagi terlang sejutang aklamalong, pining kan ingdeng likebrat trok kar birasunim sorong aje pini pen nini anian kecok lo, patumi pen ason adon wari ingpu ponsi, pini abang ke tada pen ketok kijera sayang deng pen ceng ponsi, nono bang ke rong ketong asayang deng nang lepon bom lo lasi, ili tu normal lang so pen lote rong ketong asayang deng tek pon tulong po. Lasi non nang litum tek ponong ji nili pila ke non drong nang tong bom lo lasi nili video journalist phan chuning report no nang litum phan aso arong ke tong amohor nai paklang ponji phan
Right now I'm standing here at Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso here in Difu, and where the 46th edition of Karbi Youth Festival is going on. And to be honest with you ladies and gentlemen, since the Karbi Youth Festival is considered to be one of the largest and oldest ethnic festival of northeastern states of India that mixes traditions with modernity, which the festival witnessed a phase of intense struggles for the rights led by the Karbi youth and students. The Karbi Club of Rongnihang, in fact there is an institution called Karbi Club Rongnihang here in Difu, where in 1963 where the institution the institution was born, and it became the center of activities for the Karbi youth and students, where the Karbi youth and students they discuss and prepare for the cultural renaissance in the late 1960s. So and issues like demanding of autonomous state, romance scripts and wearing traditional attires to schools and colleges were in fact dominated in the agenda in the late 1960s. The state of Assam, in fact the state government responded brutally to the people of Karbi Anglong by suppressing peaceful rallies and arresting the Karbi leaders at random. So in that detention, the idea of Karbi Youth Festival was in fact born inside the four walls of Difu jail. And since the leaders, in fact, while the leaders in custody, they imagine and research in Karbi youth through the cultural initiatives. And this time around, ladies and gentlemen, it is a 46th edition of Karbi Youth Festival 2020 here in Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso, where more than 200 hectares of Taralangso is land. And to be honest with you, as a matter of fact, is that the Karbi Youth Festival, the inaugural Karbi Youth Festival was hosted in the Karbi Club of Rongnihang in the year of 1974, and since then the Karbi Youth Festival is grew, and today it is the opening ceremony of the Karbi Youth Festival 2019, which is the 46th edition here at Hempu Mukrang ground. And after a short while, the opening ceremony of this 46th edition of Karbi Youth Festival will be happening here at this particular ground. And to be honest with you, in fact, it is a Rongkitong, which means a cultural procession is going on right now, and I can hear from the announcer announcing for the different events, and they are announcing the guests who will be coming to attend this particular event. And in fact, as we have been told by the reception committee and by the Karbi Cultural Society, is that the chief executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is coming to attend this event as the chief guest, and many dignitaries will be attending this event. And many criticisms that has been got in the social media that the chief guest for the last day of this festival will be Himanta Biswa Sharma, even the Karbi Cultural Society has invited Himanta Biswa Sharma as a chief guest in the last day of this particular Karbi Youth Festival. Many criticisms have been happened, many comments and many status have been even we have experienced in the social media as well. But for the moment, ladies and gentlemen, the opening ceremony is going on here at the Hempu Mukrang ground. And as you can see behind me, this is the cultural procession going on, ladies and gentlemen, which in Karbi it is called Rongkitong, which is we can say it is a cultural procession by the Karbi. And I want to let you know that there are more than 28 zonal committees of Karbi Cultural Society are participating in this 46th edition of Karbi Youth Festival, and not only from here in Karbi Anglong, but in fact from different districts as well, since the Karbi Cultural Societies has extended their zonal committees in the different parts of the districts as well. So it is considered to be the largest and oldest ethnic festival of India, just because it crossed more than 46 years now. So you will not see any ethnic festival in Northeast India which crossed more than 42 years. So it is we can say that it is the biggest ethnic festival of Northeast India which crossed more than 45 years now. So after 3 years it will be a 50 years now. So it is a long process that has been going on this festival. And this festival is not just a cultural procession, but this festival is not just a cultural event, but it is a movement of Karbi youth to get unite, so that the people of Karbi Anglong could go into the next level, or to get free from suppressed by the different people as well. So for the moment, as you can see, these are the zonal committee, that zonal teams who will be participating in this Karbi culture, this Karbi Youth Festival, and everything is all set here now. And after a short while, our guests will be arriving here, and we will be experiencing them as well. But to be honest with you, ladies and gentlemen, for the moment, the cultural procession is going on, where more than 28 zonal committees are participating in this cultural procession as well. And to be honest with you, from 10:30 we will be starting the flag hoisting ceremony of Karbi Cultural Center, which the flag is to be hoisted, or the flag is to be unfurled by the president of Karbi Cultural Society. And what a sensational moment is going on here, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see behind me, and many people are here still. Many zonal committees are left to come here, because the place where this procession is going on is 1 kilometer away from where the zonal committees are residing, or where the zonal committees or the participants are being kept from here. So it is a massive procession is going on here, which leads to the inaugural of this particular Karbi Youth Festival, ladies and gentlemen. And for the moment, I will try to show you more about this Karbi Youth Festival. Keep watching, and this is only for Cut International.
Come prepared and perform for the cultural event, and the dreams and struggles continue. So on behalf of Karbi Cultural Society,
Pensil. Mothar lang sojon. Nasib pacuning mana pining break jika son teklong manang litum dakwang pen.
Asap so kacila rason se teklong.
Kelang ma. Tang de nang litum la pining apan kacipati ason ka cisik nang litum ko aning cite dam dolo.
Litum ning cite de asap sabak nong nam long dun dia fansi ning cite.
Nang litum kuna thamar pen dong baik ne.
Arnam
lang pi hawar. Tang de nang litum aprang na wang bom pining si keceng si lason. Wang bom di. Ning sarong oma.
Ning sarong ulo.
Ani kan mau break jaga son teklong ma pining.
Break jaga teklong.
Nasi nang litum la ason ka cepate phan ka cisik ko an ning the dam lo pining.
Ning thiwan lo.
Kelang ma.
Oh, teklong.
Pipi lo teklong ke.
Bining aliola chanda meho ekdom ningarong ikan lo bining ke.
Jangan kau biang nong kolej jun.
Oh,
Break cek ason tek pon lo tema pening ke. Kita kimi ason dulu. Itu ulu break cek ason pening.
Well, right now I'm here at Hempu Mukrang ground, where the cultural procession is going on. Where the cultural procession, it is called a Rongkitong, where more than 28 zonal committee or zonal committee of Karbi Cultural Society are participating in this cultural procession. And as you can see behind me, this is Arnam Langpi KCS zone. So Arnam Langpi KCS zone, it is known as Diopani, but it is also Rongkitong, since they named the cultural team as Inglong Chiton last year, but this time they are naming their journalist named as Arnam Langpi KCS zone. So it is a very much interesting moment is going on since this is the cultural procession and the inaugural day of this particular Karbi Youth Festival. And as you can see behind me also, this is from a different zone. And as you can see behind me, this is an Arnam Langpi KCS zone. And I don't know which zone this is, but let me tell you, this is also one of the zone who is participating in this cultural procession. And as you can see, these boys and girls are also now engaging in this cultural procession, not just because of this is a cultural event, but it is a movement to be united by the it is a movement to become a unity among the tribes as well. And all the youths and all the students, not only the elders or young and old, rich and poor, all are here to engage in this cultural processions to showcase their unity among the tribes. Since this Karbi Youth Festival, in fact, the 46th edition of Karbi Youth Festival is all about to become a united and also to demonstrate or to display the cultural procession. Not only that, it is a moment that has been going on since 1974 when the Karbi Youth Festival was started. In fact, as I have already told you in few minutes back in the recent videos, that in 1963 the Karbi Club of Rongnihang was born, where this Karbi Youth Festival was started, and still now this Karbi Youth Festival is going on right here. And I would like to tell my camera person Amir Bey to show all the views here, since more than 28 zonal committees are participating in these cultural processions, and it is quite sensational and a lot of pleasant to be here, ladies and gentlemen. And it is of course a big event of the Karbi people here, since it is considered to be the largest and oldest ethnic festival of northeastern states of India that mixes traditions with modernity. And let me tell you, after a short while there will be a flag hosting ceremony here, and this which is to be hosted by the president of Karbi Cultural Society, Mr. Chandra Singh Crow, who is himself the president of Karbi Cultural Society. And as you can see, the people are gathering here, especially youth are participating here, and college-going students, schools-going students, and many people are engaging in this event so far. Right now I'm standing here in Hempu Mukrang ground where the cultural procession is going on, and behind me one of the zone from Chintong KCS zone. So I want to know from them that what they are going to say about this Karbi Youth Festival.
Pone le tum Chintong jutang habar me pen sele tum da bangso ningkan bang tengsi peneng le thos tame indem plikara trok hawai har indem plikara trok Karbi resun samani pason thos in le tum kache pate mate jutang battery pasen le tum thar bang no
nya ni dum ninga rong pe
na tum bang lo bang
ne tum bang plikara phone program do
kala bang tum chisik la ba ko wita
chisik la
senang le tum napen lo bang ke
tum Dwarbagri KCS zone dolomara whole Dwarbagri belo hai
danang tum bang lo bang ke
ne tum around 80 plus.
Wow. It is a lot of exciting thing is going on, that even the college students are also participating in this cultural procession. So I want to know from them that what is their preparation for this. Senang tum napen lo bang ke
Sarazan Pangjang langso.
Pangjang so. Nang tum bang lo bang ke
60 plus.
Nang limen bang ke
Bikasing di.
Oh, nang tum kato ko beta college student lo ma. Okay, so they stated that they are all college-going students, which suggests that the college-going students are also now engaging in the cultural event, which demonstrate that in the days to come, the loss of culture will not be happening in the days to come. So, since they are here and participating in different events, which signifies that, which indicates that this is the development of Karbi culture, and that is why the Karbi Youth Festival is held every year. So all the very best to all the cultural teams here.
Yang dam suripian.
Bangwan lo bangke.
80.
Wow. Okay, nang tu ko bibilo chisik ya.
Ana chisik la lo.
Cepat
Cepat itu na po.
Okay, nala tum nat pen lo.
Pineng bencar.
Bangko loy bangke.
Bang troker po.
Bang troke rapo. Laper gitu anak cepati long talai tum cepati tu niki ba.
Cepat itu hei pas ni lagi bang lo. Tangan juta jibat ku sini tum ceng hona join sini tum da pan khari pen tum tum bang iglo.
Stating that they have more than 80 participants again. Wow. So as we compare from the last year, now the participants from different zones are increasing, which suggests that the development of Karbi culture is now happening here in Karbi culture, Karbi People's Hall. So let's see more what are the other preparations going on. Since this is Jambali-a-thon, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to tell my camera person Amir Son Bay to show the view of this Jambali-a-thon, since they're carrying here and bringing it here to demonstrate this cultural procession. And as you can see, all the boys are sitting here with the Duhuidi and Duhuijang as they are ready, and they are just buckle their shoes to beat the drum, and once the time will come, they will start beating a drum, and it will be quite sensational and a lot of pleasures to experience this Karbi Youth Festival, ladies and gentlemen. Again, alright, this is Difu Government College, ladies and gentlemen. So, as I have told you, that one of the college who is all the way from Pangjang also, which is Eastern College, and now this is Difu Government College, ladies and gentlemen, where this is the institutions where myself is also studying. So I'm very happy to know that what are the preparation from Difu Government College is going on. So nangitum napen lo.
Nilitum dak Difu Government College pen.
Nangitum bangkon lo doke bangkon lo.
Nilitum ladak choklim sige bang.
Okay, he is also one of my friend. Nangli napen lo ke? Difu Government College.
Difu Government College pen.
Okay. Nangli pide son bang ni mangtum bangkon lo bang ke?
Kado ko pen nilitum bang grade 70 John nilitum bang lo. La song bong pen so lo tame bang thong kep rapho la pen so piso tame bang thong kep rapho lo. La pen nilitum chok plang sige bang. La dak Jambali-a-thon do banjar do la pen cheng pi hini do cheng bro hini do la pen chong la pen nok sita nilitum chewan. La pen la sorong tong la mang long hi pun nilitum ning thek klong.
Lapen nanglitum kupi pi do chisik ke la so phan ke?
Nilitum sisik jaga sisik lo mane cepati ni saran ke.
Kadong we cepati dum lapu.
Cepati dum lapu.
Kit hak pen seng lo kadong we cepati dum lapu di.
Cepati dum lapu.
Okay, right. Well, he also stated that, and they are very confident that they will win these competitions as well, since they are all the way from the Langfair KCS zone, since where this is located in Wolongkamaji, which is the central part of Karbi Anglong.
এইটো অৱশ্যে ইয়ালৈ আহি অতি ভাল লাগিছে। ইয়াত এনেকৈ এটা অনুষ্ঠানত আমাৰ গুৱাহাটী জোনে আহি যিটো কাৰ্বি ছ'চাইটিৰ লগত যিটো কালচাৰেল ছ'চাইটিলৈ আহি যিটো কৰিছে, সঁচাকৈ আমি আনন্দিত হৈছোঁ। আৰু এনেকৈ যাতে ভৱিষ্যতেও আমি এই অনুষ্ঠানত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিব পাৰোঁ, আৰু আমি হিলছ কাৰ্বিৰ লগত যাতে আমি সমন্বয় সৃষ্টি কৰিব পাৰোঁ, সেই উদ্দেশ্যে আমি আহিছোঁ। আৰু আমাৰ সংস্কৃতিটোৰ এওঁলোকৰ লগত মানে সমিল মিলে আমি আগুৱাই যাব পাৰোঁ, সেই আশাৰে আমি আহিছোঁ। আৰু ভৱিষ্যতে আমাৰ এই পাহাৰ ভৈয়াম যিটো সমন্বয়ৰ বেটা আছিল, সেইটো যাতে নাইকিয়া কৰিব পাৰোঁ, সেয়া আমাৰ উদ্দেশ্য। আৰু সেই কালচাৰেলটো তেওঁলোকৰ লগতে আমি সমন্বিত কৰি আমি এক হ'ব পাৰোঁ, সেয়া আমাৰ কাৰ্বি উদ্দেশ্য।
55 Pokem Rock Silangdi. Kalau tum kadok kami tum cepati tum apa bang? Kadok kami ibian senda.
Oh cepati sebelum kadok belan cepati tu.
Menti lo bang tu?
Itu
patumi sih bang. Ningarong prima.
Ningarong
prima. So they stated that they are very happy to engage or participate in this Karbi Youth Festival, since they have 50 participants, and when we talked about Biswana district, the population of Karbi is less than here in Karbi Anglong, and it has happened because where Biswana district is it is located in more than 200 kilometers away from the headquarters of Karbi Anglong, and the population is very less. But despite of that, despite of the less population, they are coming here to attend this event and engaging and participating in this event as well.